Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Well, yes, things are looking a little different around here. Thank you for noticing. Yeah, I warned you a few videos ago that I was thinking of kind of changing things up. I was just having like that itch. So I'm kind of in the midst of it right now, still trying to work out this lighting situation. And behind me, well, I do have a little vignette. Things will change up, slightly here and there, but overall, this is what we got right now. What are you thinking? I know, you're thinking, who cares, lady? Just show us what you got today. Let's not forget the new kids. To those of you who are new to my channel, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'm into all things hair, skin, and makeup. So if that sounds like something you're into, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. You're gonna come back anyway. So I know you saw the thumbnail, but you also guessed it just by looking at this limp, lifeless hair. I'm trying out from Crown Affair. This is their dry shampoo powder. I was super interested when I saw that this was coming to Sephora, so I, of course, picked it up. Now, it's $36 for what is 0.53 ounces, so a half ounce or 15 grams, which is not a lot of product for kind of a lot of money. My not favorite part is trying to find where to lift off the little tabby so I can get into this sifted area. Don't we love that, folks? It is my firm belief there should always be like a giant pull tab to make it easy for us. But the reality is there's usually no pull tab or just the tiniest. Ugh, God, finally. Seriously. Do you see that tiny little pull tab? Like I was supposed to see that. Crown Affair, please do something about this nonsense. All right, now that we're in, it smells beautiful, but it's actually reminiscent of something to me. God, what is that? Do I have a candle that smells like this? The scent is beautiful. Do I have a perfume? This is gonna make me nuts. All right, let's get down to the facts and figures. It's made with tapioca starch, which is going to absorb the oil, which is nice. They're not using talc. It also uses persimmon powder for the scent. They also have their like proprietary scent, so there's other scents in here, but damn, I really like this. Of course I do. I have something that smells like it. I think I'm just gonna dump it into the cap. I don't know how much I need. I'm gonna start with that much. Oh, cool, I've already dumped some on my table. All right, waste not, want not, folks. Just scooping it in. So I actually think I have kind of a lot there. Now, it's late in the day. I am not gonna tease, lie, or try and deceive all of you. It's almost, I don't know, I think it's around 3:30. And yeah, she's just finally getting around to doing her hair. But that's just how it goes some days. All right, so I have loaded up this nice little brush, and I gotta say, the brush is a really nice quality. All right, let's just begin. So yeah, the hair isn't as greasy as it could be, but if I can stop that and maybe get another day's worth out of, not washing my hair, I think that'd be pretty great. All right, I'm just gonna go right around my face first, and then I will go in the other areas where I tend to get oily, like straight down my part. All right, so we can see it's leaving a powdery cast on my face, and I don't love that. I'm actually gonna take a brush, one of my makeup brushes, and just kind of push it into my hairline. I think this soft brush works better, especially since I have makeup on. If I didn't have a full face of makeup, it wouldn't be such a big deal, but All right, I'm dipping back into my stash of powder. I'm gonna go straight down the part and just brush it in there. It's definitely dulling down any shine from any oils, which great. Although I don't like my hair to be dull, so I'm hoping that as it absorbs, my hair will just kind of get its luster back. Because that's one of the things I do not like about dry shampoos is how it can just dull your hair down. I mean, it's one thing to be like, I don't want to wash my hair today and just throw some dry shampoo in. It's another to really want to have great second day hair, and dull hair is not great. All right, there is pretty much nothing left on this brush, and I've emptied out my cap. So right off the bat, I think I'm gonna go through this stuff kind of quickly. And especially since today is not a particularly oily day, and considering the amount I've used, all right, I'm going to now just go through with my hands and just kind of rub it in like I do any other dry shampoo, just to disperse it. All right, I do think that that dull powder cast that I had has kind of dissipated. It's absorbed my oils. I think it's actually given me a little bit of volume. I don't want to say a lot. And you know, if you saw my video on, I tested out 4 different dry shampoos, that's what I really want from a dry shampoo. I want it to soak up the oils, but I want it to give me some volume. I don't want flat second day hair. All right, what do we see here? I think it's actually kind of good. I think my hair took in the powder nicely. I think the powder soaked up the oil nicely. I think it has a nice scent, which I super friggin' love. I'm gonna wear this, obviously, for the rest of the day, and I'll probably come back to you with a little bit of footage either from my iPhone or directly from my studio. Who knows what I'm gonna do. But I wanna see how this lasts for like the next 4 hours. Usually for me, 4 hours is really the telling point for dry shampoo. If my oils are gonna break through and just break down the dry shampoo, or if it's holding on. If it holds at the 4 hour point for me, it's usually good for the rest of the day. Now, what I might also do is I'm going to the gym tomorrow morning, obviously not washing my hair before the gym. I might put this in when I come back from the gym and see if I can get 3rd day hair out of it. All right, but like initial first impressions, I like it. I do think that a powder version of dry shampoo is very intriguing to me. I know that there are other brands that make it. I've never tried them before. They've actually never even kind of like been anywhere I've been. You know what I mean? Like I've never seen them, but I know that they exist. I do think this is a very cool way of doing our dry shampoo because A, you can travel with this really nicely. I don't like taking big aerosol cans with me when I travel, but also I just like the convenience of it being small packaging. I have so many big package items in my bathroom. I just don't need another giant item. I know it sounds stupid and frivolous, but when you have as many products as I do, it's nice when things come in smaller packages. All right, see you in a bit. All right, folks, forgive me for the lighting. This is going to be an ongoing thing, but let's just worry about the hair. The first thing I want to say about it is that it feels clean. Very often when I use dry shampoos, my hair feels a little bit, it feels like I have dry shampoo in it. It feels like second day. It feels like sometimes like the dry shampoo is like just, I don't know, there in place of the oil. This feels like nothing. It's very lightweight. My hair is still like looking fine. It is flatter than I want. Like hands down, I don't like for my hair to be this flat. I almost feel like I have to find like a root lifting product or some sort of volumizing product to use in addition to the dry shampoo. That's probably a me thing. But overall, I think this is pretty good. Now, I didn't, do my entire head because I don't get greasy all over. I get it like around the perimeter of my face, down my part, and a little bit down, like my part just extending down the back of my head. That's really the only places I get oily. I get a little bit like through here, but I think that's because like I actually am like, putting my hands through my hair. I'm one of those who's like flipping their hair around throughout the day. So I think that kind of encourages the oils, but that's a me problem. Now, I know I did mention earlier in the video that I'm considering doing a day 3, seeing how my hair is tomorrow after the gym. So let's do it like this. If my hair is super gross after the gym and I will not put dry shampoo in, then we'll call this the end of the video. But if my hair is in a decent enough place, then I will do the dry shampoo. Because let's face it, if my hair is super duper gross after working out, I'm not using dry shampoo no matter what. I know there are those of you who go a whole week without washing your hair and you've got this like thick, luxurious hair and you don't get oily and blah, blah, blah. I'm not that girl. But as of right now, I think my hair still looks pretty good. I'm going to continue to use the Crown Affairs dry shampoo. I'll give you updates now and then to let you know what I've been finding. But as of right now, I like it way better than most of the other dry shampoos I have ever tried. All right, let's just freaking do this. This is 3rd day hair. I went to the gym. I came home showered. I did not do my hair at all. Had it in a pretty shower cap. There's no such thing. I let it air dry and then I went through with a blow dryer and just kind of, blow dried any of the parts that were still damp. And this is what we're left with. It's not cute. I would not go out in public looking like this. I would wash my hair. But we want to try this and see how it works on day 3. Oh God, she's got a mess. Look at it. It's all over the brush. And at $36, I don't want to be wasting this. Ugh, God, it's a mess. Let's just do this in the brush. God, it does. I'm telling you, it freaking smells delicious. I have a perfume. I have something like this. If any of you guys know what this scent is reminiscent of, will you put it in the comments below? I need to know. All right, let's do this. I'm going in pretty hard along my face and hairline. I mean, look at that. Jesus. But if I want this to actually get me through the day, I think this stuff is going to have to work a little overtime. Woo, she's just going in, isn't she? Yeah, I'm going in a little more than I did yesterday. I'm going to do under my hair too, because let's face it, she was sweating. Wearing a dark shirt while using white powder, do not recommend. All right, so this is something I think I'm gonna have to play with for a while, because right off the bat, it's not how I want my hair to look. Actually, I feel like I want a little more in the back. I just don't like that feeling of not clean washed hair. And I know, like, people go their entire lives washing their hair once a week, because I've been washing my hair every day for most of my life. It's only been in the past, I don't know, year that I've been washing my hair every other day, or at least on days when I haven't gone to the gym. So at this age, I don't see me making giant leaps and giant changes, although I am up for trying new things. And if they work, great. So far, is this working great? I don't know. You tell me. All right, I did it. I wasn't sure if I was going to do it for you guys, but here it is, a 3rd day hair. I'm going to wear it throughout the day. I will let you know in a future video how I liked it on the 3rd day. I can tell you right now, I don't love it. All right, friends, if you made it till this point in the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. I want to know who my real beauty queens are. But for all of you, I want to thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you real soon. Mwah. It's everywhere.